everybody, welcome back to another episode. We're gonna change gears a little bit. We're gonna move back to the black car because there's something that I wanted to do, and I want to do it on this car before I touch the red car, because I need to shampoo these seats in the black car, and I do not want to use my shampoo vac on the black car after doing the red car, for obvious reasons. But as you can see, this is not bad. You know, there's some stains on the seats. We'll start in the back. If you like time lapses of cleaning videos, well, this one is for you. So I have this little Bissell little green wet vacuum. I'm gonna test it out, see how it works, and eventually we'll use it on the red car. now the final seat from the man who likes to drive fast and eat ass. I could only imagine what's on that seat, but let's see. We'll discover together. Better me than you. Oh, I'm not the man that likes to drive fast and eat ass, by the way. That was the previous owner. Well, guys, you need maybe another pass, but I think that was pretty good. Got a lot of the funkiness out of the seats. You saw all that dirt that came out. They look good. They smell better. You know, the car has like a funky kind of smell, you know. Like, it just doesn't smell like my car. It smells like somebody else's car. So I might do another pass, but I think it came out pretty good. Let it dry, and I'm dreading doing the red car, but that's next. That's gonna take another couple days, probably another like 2 days of vacuuming before I even get to the wet vacuum. But I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.